Rico offers a variety of Centerbeam and Flatcar load securement solutions. 4-inch wide AAR approved polyester webbing with a 20,000 pound minimum brake strength is available in various lengths with an unmodified end, a sewn loop, a flat hook, or a delta ring. The iRico part number 7724 is a Centerbeam cable assembly which consists of a length of 3/8 inch diameter cable which is fuse welded at one end and several links of 3/8 inch chain at the other end. This assembly is available in several lengths, and a wire rope clip is also included. iRico also offers two styles of combination winches. The part number 20699 is a Flatcar combination winch. The mandrel of this winch has a hole which accepts 3/8 inch diameter cable and a slot which accepts 4-inch wide webbing. This increases the loading flexibility compared to cable or webbing only winches. The part number 20694 is a Centerbeam combination winch. This winch also accepts cable or webbing. In addition, it also has a bar with a generous radius which allows the webbing or cable to contact the winch rather than the car body. Both winches have 16-tooth gears and locking pawls, which allow for more secure tensioning of the webbing or cable. The webbing or cable can be tensioned by using a winch bar in the holes of the capstan or a power tensioning device or ratchet in the 13/16 inch square end. To install either style of winch, locate it in the desired position and weld it to the car. To use the winch with the cable assembly, insert the fused end of the cable through the hole in the mandrel and attach a wire rope clip to the cable. Bring the chain end of the cable up and over the load and insert the chain into the key slot on the uprights. Rotate the mandrel to take up the excess slack and then tension the cable according to the AAR open-top loading rules. The cable assemblies are typically used with the iRico part number 30340 or part number 30475 edge protectors. Both of these edge protectors are made of a high UV and abrasion-resistant polyurethane, which regains its shape after being crushed. The part number 30475 edge protector is similar to the part number 30340, but it is made of a higher durometer plastic, which performs better in hot weather. Both designs also have a standoff feature, which keeps the cable away from the lading. To install either style of cable edge protector, first release any tension in the cable and then bend and insert the cable into the edge protector. There is no need to remove the cable assembly from the winch to apply the edge protector. iRico also offers the part number 20525 edge protector, which is used with 4-inch wide webbing. To use the winch with webbing, insert the webbing into the slot in the mandrel and rotate the mandrel at least 2 turns. Bring the free end of the webbing up and over the load and insert it into the slot of the winch on the opposite side of the car. Rotate the mandrel to take up any excess slack. Next, tension the webbing with an appropriate tool on both sides of the car to secure the load. The part number 7832 is a replacement combination winch mandrel and gear kit that can be used to convert an existing 16-tooth cable or webbing only winch into a combination winch. To install, first cut out the old mandrel and gear. Next, insert the replacement mandrel into the winch side plates and place the gear on the mandrel. Mark the mandrel and cut off the excess. Reinsert the mandrel between the side plates and weld the gear onto it, according to the installation instructions. The replacement combination winch, mandrel, and gear kit allows for increased loading flexibility, and it saves the cost of having to replace the entire winch.